Okay, we're heading to our room. Mm. Mm. Oh. We've been to Secret, we Secret down, then we're heading to Dreams. Ganda. Nice, no? Beautiful. We're here at the Dreams. Thank you.
Gracias.
Bye. Okay. We are here. We're going to the pool right now. This is
Maganda po.
beautiful. Ito yung butik nila where you can buy stuff. Ito yung swimming pool.
Bata.
Yan yung swimming pool na pang bata. They're cleaning. Punta kami dyan mamaya. Ngayon yung mga hotels. Ganda. Madaming ganyan dito. I don't know what you call it. Ang ganda. Buti mahangin. Daming iguana dito. Doon ang hotel ni Nakokoy. Yung room pala nila. Diyan. Diyan yung room ni na Heidi. Kami doon pas dulo. Hindi na kami nagpapalit ng room. Breakfast ka uli.
Isang resto. Magstambay mo tayo doon sa coffee place. Tayo. Gagawin may wedding.
Ito, another swimming pool. Ganda dito.
Tayo pa yan.
Alin? Ganda.
Yung, pag naligo ka, kukuha ka lang ng dito ng tuwalya. Matapos ka dyan, may lagay. Kasi kabana, gusto mo magkabana dyan. Pero dito ka. Dami-dami.
Ganda, oh. Dito tayo para mainit. We're heading to our room now to change. Yan ang aming hotel room. Beautiful. Nice, no? Oh, yan pa, oh. Look. Look.
They're really pretty.
Yeah.
When they get, have you seen them? Like open?
When they open. Yesterday, you know what's funny? Yesterday we were on the pool and they're having their good time, both of them, and they're laughing.
Each other.
They're,
And I moved them, they don't separate. They're still up there.
I'm like, what the hell? That's how they do their love making. Oh my goodness.
The one with the red one is the
Yeah.
male.
Well, yan pa isa.
Those are males. The red one is the female.
Mm.
The red wings.
We're in our hotel. And then there's bathroom outside. We hope we have a bathroom inside also. We're close by the elevator. Ayan. Oh. This is our hotel room. 7107. Enter. This is the bathroom. And shower and the toilet.
Shower. Ito yung ano mo.
Yung bed namin. Doon yung jacuzzi. Yung gamit namin. Jacuzzi dyan outside. Magka-jacuzzi kami mamaya. Oh, di ba? Nice, di ba? Ganda. Oh. See you soon.